Okay, right. In question 2, they say that determine the x coordinates of f. Now remember, f is lying on the f of x function. And then remember from our previous question, they said that f is the point of inflection of f. Right, now remember from our previous question, we found that f of x is equals to minus 2x to the power of 3 minus 11x squared minus 12x plus 9. Now the other thing that I need you to look out for, remember whenever we do a point of inflection, you gotta always do the second derivative of that function. The only way here we can find the point of inflection is to us to find the we will need to do the second derivative of x and then equate it to 0. That will help us to find the x coordinate for the point of inflection for the f of x function. Alright, so now we're gonna do that. Now remember, we have f of x is minus 2x to the power of 3 minus 11x squared minus 12x plus 9. So we're gonna have to start first by doing the first derivative. So the first derivative of f of x, it's going to be minus 6x squared minus 22 minus 22x minus 12. Then the second derivative will be equals to minus 12x minus 22. Alright, and then after doing that, we can now equate that to 0. So we can say minus 12x minus 22 equals to 0 minus 12x equals to 22. Divide both sides by minus 12. Then you should get minus you should get minus 11 over 6. And that is how you could have found the x coordinate for the point of inflection for the graph of f. If you wanted to find the y coordinate, you are going to take this x coordinate and then substitute it back to this equation there. Not this one, not this one, because remember, if you sub it back here, it's going to give you 0. And then if you sub it back here, it's going to give you another value for sure. But immediately after finding your x coordinate, you're going to sub it back to the original equation to find the y coordinate and then have your point of inflection as a point, like minus 11 over 6 comma something. All right, hope that's understandable.